Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Today I have a new indie eyeshadow palette to try out for you guys today. This is the Genuine Gems palette and it comes to us from Simply Posh Cosmetics. Now Simply Posh Cosmetics was gracious enough to send this to me in PR, and I have a special place in my heart for this brand because they are right here. They are located here in South Texas where I live. That is like unheard of. So I am so happy to support this brand. This is the second palette that I get. I bought their summer release. I bought that palette and then this one was sent to me in PR. So thank you to the team, Kayla, the owner over at Simply Posh Cosmetics, for sending this my way. Now here is the color story of this 16 pan eyeshadow palette. I'm going to kind of hold it at an angle like this. In this particular palette, you are going to be getting 18 different shadows, which includes 12 buttery pigmented mattes and 6 unique sparkly duochrome shimmers. Now this palette retails for $45 and it is launching very soon. It launches on Tuesday, October the 18th at 3 p.m. CST. That is Texas time. Guys, I cannot wait to try this out. I love how we have the shimmers in the center and then we have the 2 rows of mattes. This looks like a really pretty gem toned color story. Now, I'm sure you guys can hear it in my voice, but I've been really sick these last few days. I had taken a couple days off of work. It's just allergies. It's not like flu or anything like that. It's just we had like a cool front blow in to South Texas, and that came with some rain, and that also brought allergy season. So I'm a little stuffed up. I'm not 100%. So this video is going to be a little bit different. I am going to be creating 3 looks, but I'm going to be playing music while I create the looks, just because I need to save my voice. I need to save my voice for my students at work. So forgive me for not doing a talk through eyeshadow look video. I will come on after each look and I'll let you know what I went in with and what I thought. And of course, at the end of the video, I'll wrap up and I'll give you guys my final thoughts on this palette. Now, if it is your first time here on my channel, I want to say hello and welcome to all of you. My name is Steff and this is what I love to do. I love trying out new makeup, so you're always going to see new makeup reviews. That is the primary content you see here on my YouTube channel. I also do multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes, which I usually talk through the looks, although today's video, because obviously you can hear it in my voice, it's going to be a little bit different. I do makeup ranking videos. We just have a great time. We have a great time playing with makeup, talking about it. If that sounds great to you and you want to see my videos on pretty much a daily basis, I do tend to upload quite a bit. Do me a favor and click on the subscribe button and hit the bell next to it. That way you'll be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you like what you see, if you're a fan of indie makeup, or maybe you've never tried Simply Posh Cosmetics before, give this video a thumbs up before you go. As usual, I will have everything that I'm wearing, applying both on and off camera linked in the description box of today's video. Some of those links might be affiliate links, so if you do end up shopping through them, I thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. Let's dive on into the Genuine Gems palette, the new fall release from Simply Posh Cosmetics. If you guys want to see the 3 looks I'm about to create, keep on watching. Alright guys, here's a completed look number 1. For the top lash line, I went in with my Shop Miss A Artista eyeliner in the shade brown. The mascara I'll be using in today's video is this one from Flower Beauty. It is the Warrior Princess Mascara. And for the lower waterline, where did I put it? It's a NYX Epic Wear liner. Is it this one? Yeah, this one right here. It's in the shade All Time Olive. I love the way the look turned out. Perfect fall look. Nice little halo eye. You know I love green. Let's move over to the left eye and we'll start working on look number 2. Okay guys, here's a completed look number 2. I didn't start out to do an all matte look, but that's just where the look took us, and I'm really happy that I did actually, so we can see how the shadows blended with one another, and I think they blended out just fine. I did get a little bit of fallout right here, and I'm thinking it was from one of the blue shades, the blue or the purple shade, but I love the inner corner. Same mascara. For the lower waterline, I went in with an LA Girl Neon Shockwave lip liner. This one is in the shade Blaze. And, oh, top lash line is a Wet n Wild Breakup Proof liquid lighter. Love the look. Everything performed and has been performing really well. I'll remove this look and I'll come back and we'll start creating the third and final look with the new Genuine Gems palette from Simply Posh Cosmetics. Okay guys, here's a completed look number 3. For the top lash line, I went in with this Unearthly Cosmetics. It's a duochrome liquid liner. This one is in the shade Imperial. I think that is so pretty. A nice little compliment to this really pretty duochrome that we have. Love that. For the lower waterline, I went in with an LA Girl Shockwave liner. This one is in the shade Dragon. And then same mascara. I love the way the look turned out. Really nice, really cool. Now that I've used quite a few of the shades in this palette, let me go ahead and wrap up today's video and share with you guys my final thoughts. Alright guys, 3 looks and 15 out of the 18 shades later. I have to say I really enjoyed playing with the new Genuine Gems palette from Simply Posh Cosmetics. I think this is a very beautiful jewel-toned eyeshadow palette, and I like the texture of these duochrome shadows. They do have a little bit of a texture to them, but they're not as chunky, I guess, as some of the other duochromes that I've worked with. They're a little bit more on the smooth side, to where they could almost be kind of like a topper in a way, but I mean, they're all really, really pretty. Like, you can see what I have here on the right eye. Like, that's just one on top of, you know, the matte shadow that I had there, which, by the way, I think the mattes like all blended really, really well. I think there was only 1 or 2 matte shades that I didn't get to use. Like, I didn't get to use Sapphire over here, and I don't think I used Topaz down here, but everything else, all the other matte shades, I was able to use in this video. And there was only, like, I don't think I got to use this duochrome over here. So actually, you know what? There were 4 shades that I didn't use, because did I? I don't think I used Carrot either. I don't know. I felt like maybe there was only 3 shades I didn't use, something like that. 3 or 4 different shades. I will say that the shades that I did use all performed really well. I'm going to recommend some glitter glue for the duochromes. I did experience some fallout with it, but for the most part, like, this is a pretty decent performing palette. I really liked it. I like the color story too. It could definitely be neutral, or you can definitely, you know, add some color. Like, you can go really different ways with this palette. I think this is a nice release, a nice fall release as well. Something a little different than the purple, lime green, and orange and black that we're used to seeing, you know, around this time of year, Halloween. But I think this is nice. A very versatile palette. I really like the blues and the greens. I thought that this duochrome, the one I have right here, is just beautiful. Beautiful, easy to work with, nice release, Genuine Gems, Simply Posh Cosmetics. This palette retails for $45. It'll be available at 3 p.m. CST on Tuesday, October the 18th on the Simply Posh Cosmetics website. I do not have a code with Simply Posh. I don't know if the brand does any affiliate codes, but if I can find one, I'll have one in the description box. I'm happy to support this brand. They are a South Texas indie makeup brand, and I am from South Texas. It is rare that I encounter people from South Texas here on this platform. So anytime that I get to support somebody here in my community, a small business, a fellow content creator, I am all for it. Thank you again, Simply Posh and Kayla, for sending me this palette to try out for all of y'all today. Let me know your thoughts, guys. Is this palette from Simply Posh gonna be in your future? Leave it in the comments down below and let me know what look you like best. Are you team 1, 2, 3, none, all? Sound off down below, and I promise the next eye look will be a talk through eye look. Let me just get over this little allergy bit that I have going on. Thank you for being understanding. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water. I'll see y'all very soon. Bye.